Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add glow lights in Unity using point lights and the bloom effect. First, go to your hierarchy, right click, and select volume, box volume. In the volume profile, click Add Override, then choose Post Processing, Bloom. Enable bloom and increase the intensity. Select main camera, and enable post processing. Now, make sure post-processing is visible in the editor. At the top of the scene view, click the post-processing toggle to turn it on. Without this enabled, the glow won't appear while editing. Next, right-click in the hierarchy, go to Light, Point Light. Position the light where you want the glow effect to appear, near an object, sign, or surface. Select the point light and increase the intensity. Then choose a bright color like blue, pink, or cyan to really enhance the glow. You can also add more point lights and colors to brighten scene up. And that's it. You've successfully added glowing lights in Unity using bloom and point lights. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more Unity tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.